What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be taking the 24 Toyota Tundra and we're going to take the chrome off of this. Only remove all the chrome off of this. I'm not a fan of it. As you can see, the backup lights or the third brake lights right there, that's black. So we're going to take this. There's a factory black handle right here, and we're going to take this and we're going to take the chrome one off. Replace it with this. It's factory. So I'm going to put the what is it called? I'm going to put the part number for this down in the comment section down below if you're interested in doing this as well. It's like $42, $45. Now we're going to show you how to take that factory handle off and put the new one on. Let's do that. So in order to get to the handle, we have to remove these screws right here, and they're Torx bits. You gotta remove these, I believe, too. So I gotta remove this whole plastic cover, and then the screws right here will allow us to slide this plastic cover out of the way. And once we get it out of the way, then there's gonna be two nuts on the back side of the factory one, and we'll remove the nuts, slide the old one out, and then we're gonna slide this one in, put the nuts back on, and then reverse order here. So we're gonna get rid of, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bolts. Of course, they're two different sizes, right? Of course. So that's what we're gonna do. So it's a T30 for the top right here, and then the bottom on is T30. Never mind, it's the same size, just different head size. So the bigger head on this versus smaller one right here. So I lied, the same size. Torx bit. There you go. See it. Slide that. So inside here, there they are right there, one right there, and one right there. It looks like 8 millimeters. And so once you remove those, then you'll be able to, well, be careful because the other one will fall out. So once that gets removed, you can put this one back in and install those nuts back. I don't know.
Oh, the tab.
Oh, okay. Is there a tab inside there? Oh.
Yeah, we can.
There it goes. All right. So one thing we weren't counting for here is there is a tab there, both sides that kind of have to get pushed in from the inside to pull it out. Now it will come out, and it's just an overlay. And this is plastic too, because this feels really plasticky too. I thought this was more metal than this was, but they're about the same as they are. Consistency of plastic. See? So let's get this other one installed. Pretty much looks the same. There you go. Everything looks good there. I'll put the 10 millimeter nuts. Now, in order to remove it also, we got the button, the clicker, to automatic, we call it tailgate drop. So you had to take that off and put it back on. We'll show that. So that was right here. So you just kind of set it back in there. Then you put the nuts back on. Nuts one back on top, right? And then we can put the rest of it back together. We gotta get the plastic piece. Scratched it. Put this back. So these have to go underneath this. Slide underneath. Stuff. There it goes. Get them lined up with the holes here. It's got that groove here that sits inside of this. The holes lined up. And put the screw back in. And you don't want to impact them in too much because there are plastic inserts in those. So we're getting them close. Well, that was a little tight. We're getting them close. And then we're gonna just hand tighten them. Tight brakes. All's good now. We're able to shut the tailgate. Be sure there's nothing robbing or anything like that. There we go. Now we got black handle. Make sure that the light and the camera are lined up with it. Should be. There we go. We got the black one instead of the chrome one. And I'll save this for later if I ever want to put it back on. Now I need a little emblems black. So now that's what it looks like. A little bit different. I like it. Starting to change. Again, put this in the description. I'll put a link as well as the part number if you're interested in buying it. You can go to any Toyota place or dealership and get that. It's like 40 something bucks. Other than that, if this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. Any comments that you have, go ahead and put in the comment section below. How do we do on this install? Well, don't worry about that. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.